I found myself in the position of needing to format a few hundred hard drives, and this presents a fairly interesting challenge. And I figured I would use this opportunity to sort of, show some people that I know what I do. So, in order to get these things formatted quickly without a whole lot of effort, I set up this little array of formatting machines. I pulled these ribbons for the drives from some old Dells that we were surplusing. They're a lot longer than the built-in Apple ones, which makes it a lot easier to do this. It's only 3 drives formatted per machine because I've got a boot from something. So that's what the drive that's currently in here. That's what the drive that's currently in here is doing. The machines that we're using are about 400 megahertz. They're really not very useful for much of anything anymore. And so nobody is put out as far as having access to technology from this use, which is a bonus. One other issue was, if I've got to run to all these different machines and type on each different one, I'm really not saving a lot of time. So enter a program called Teleport, which is very similar to a program called Synergy for Windows PCs. Synergy also runs on Mac OS X, but it's a great deal more difficult to set up. Whereas Teleport, which is also free like Synergy, is ridiculously easy to set up. So you can see each of the 2 screens here on this machine here, on the iMac, and there's these little screens all arrayed around this display. These little displays are actually these here, which are hooked up to the machines I hooked the hard drives up to. So when I reach the edge of the screen here, it goes to that display. We create an array of drives on each of these, and it's very quick because I don't have to get up and go to a different machine, and the interface is very, very simple. There's very little clicking. This didn't. So this is all very, very fast. Oh. We're setting all of them up as striped RAIDs because there's the fastest. So by the time I've told all of the machines to start making arrays, I come back to the first one and it's getting close to done. So, now that we've got these drives all ganged up together, showing up as one drive, we can go to Erase. Hopefully. Let's go to the next one. This is another really nice thing about this setup, and that is if any particular machine lags, it just goes to the next one. So we go into security, we set it for 0, because really with modern hard drives that's all that you need. And then you click Erase. Apparently Disk Utility got mad on the first one. But simple to relaunch. 0 it. So the cool thing is that because all of these disks are grouped together in an array, by zeroing the array, I'm zeroing all 3 disks at the same time. I only have to tell it one time for 3 disks. Forgot to set security options. Erasing is pretty fast, as you can see. When you're actually removing the old information, on the other hand, it takes some time, as you can see from these other machines, which seem to be averaging about an hour and a half for these 40 gig hard drives.